This video shows an avalanche heading towards a person, whilst the person stands there and does nothing. As it gets closer and closer, you can see that it looks much scarier up close than it was afar. It almost looks like the avalanche has reached the person. He dukes us by zooming the camera outwards. It looks exciting and beautiful, but to be honest, I don't understand why he still hasn't moved yet. Watch what happens as the avalanche engulfs the person. Don't worry, he survives. The cameraman never dies.
Oh my.
If you don't like when avalanches destroy your house, subscribe.